All right, so starting this over, I just did an unboxing, unpackaging. I already cut the package open, and I realized that my camera wasn't recording. So anyway, this is going to be the new belt. This is from Nexbelt, right there. And these belts are awesome. It's a ratcheting style belt, and put that over here. Anyway, this is going to be the new belt that I use for my carry. It's supposed to be more of a rigid belt, a firm belt. These leather belts, they're too soft, and so when you carry and you have spare mags, your gun, everything else, it tends to sag a little bit. So right here we got a little card that says, "Thank you for your purchase with Nexbelt. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Contact us at info@nexbelt.com." So there's the tag. All right. So here it is. It comes in a really cool black camo bag. Comes with it, Nexbelt, the belt with no holes. And so, like I said, it's a ratcheting belt. There's no belt holes, and so you get a more of a precise fit when you have this type of big belt. I've done a lot of research on several different ratcheting style belts. This one so far, for the price and for the quality, and seems to be the best one with the reviews and everything. So, and then you got the how to size for your EDC. Comes with some little set screws for the buckle when you get it adjusted. So there's that. So here's the buckle. So this is the buckle right here. It's black powder coated metal, so that's pretty cool. That's the release system for the belt. And so as you're wearing it, you can just reach in, kind of hit that button, and it releases on the back. So you can see that right there. Tab to protect the belt end. And so right here, as you guys can see, it goes all the way up to 50 inches, and it goes down by inches, and it goes all the way down to a 25-inch waist. That's pretty awesome. And so here you can see the ratchet system, the teeth on it. Very, very flexible belt. So it says, use only EDC labeled buckles with carrying a firearm with this strap. Add 4 inches to your pant size and cut at the dotted line. And it's got the patent number and then the Nexbelt, the belt with no holes. And so the belt will loop it through your pants this way, goes through, and you can see the ratchet system on this thing. So, and the teeth are, so there it is. You can hear it. So you get 1/4 inch adjustments instead of most belts where it's like a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch. And so, and it's pretty firm. I'm really pulling on that thing, and man, it bites down even harder with the way it's designed. So that's pretty awesome. And you're wearing the belt, you sit down, you eat a lot of food, whatever you need to do, you just kind of reach in, you can just barely touch that thing, and you can adjust it a little bit. And so you can cinch it back real quick. So actually it'll be over here. And then you need a little more room because you ate a lot. You just reach in, touch that. Nobody's going to hear it. Nobody's going to see it really. So it's very incognito, inconspicuous. So that's pretty cool. And so with that, you can see on the back of the belt where it bites in. It looks like a little tab you lift up, and this end of the belt will feed into it. I'm just going to show you real quick. And then it's got these teeth. This whole buckle is made out of metal. It's pretty sweet. There's no plastic pieces. And then when you feed it in there, turn that, press down, and it's going to bite down into that belt. So, pretty awesome. So let me get a pair of scissors and check this out, and then we will get it going on that part, on getting it sized and adjusted. All right.